GST, that is Goods and Services Tax regime, is here. As a business owner, what are your top concerns with GST? Let's look at them. You need to get your business GST compliant. You need to generate and print GST invoice. You cannot risk on any mistakes in GST returns, so you can claim accurate and timely input tax credits. Sure, we understand all these concerns. Let's quickly introduce you to Marg ERP9 Plus GST Ready software. A GST Ready software for businesses is an affordable and easy way to get your business GST ready. Marg ERP9 Plus provides you one-stop GST solution for all your GST needs. With Marg ERP GST software, you can ensure 100% accuracy. Just download the updated version of Marg from our website margcompusoft.com and install it. Create your company and specify your GSTIN number and other such details. Find all GST related options at one place. Before GST, you just need to do two things from these two options. The first option enables you to export your products list in Excel and maintain their HSN code and GST tax rate percentage. Second option enables you to export your customers list in Excel and maintain their state code and GST number in it. That's it. You just need to do these two things to prepare for GST. Now you're ready to activate GST. Just click on Activate My GST option. Just sit back and keep pressing enter on the required options. Upload your maintained product Excel sheet. On pressing a single key, find out any mismatches in taxes and correct them. Lastly, you can do self-customized GST invoice setting. That's it. Activating GST can never get any simpler and faster. Now you can continue with your business. Marg understands that invoicing can sometimes become a nightmare. You need to start generating GST compliant invoices from the very first day. So you need to be extra careful. But Marg software doesn't want you to because it's way advanced. On basis of GST number, customers are categorized as local and central customers. During billing, Marg software smartly formats the invoice as local or central as per the selected customer. GST taxes are auto-calculated. Just do the billing and save it. And there you go, a perfect GST compliant invoice. As for voucher and accounts posting, Marg software automatically does it for you. Not just sale and purchase voucher, Marg software records every business transaction such as GST outwards, GST inwards, GST plus cess, rate-wise GST, reverse entry, advanced GST received, sales return, purchase returns, etc. So you don't need to worry about GST returns. You can easily export all types of GST returns in Excel, CSV, XLS and upload it to your portal. Any new GST updates from the government becomes immediately effective in Marg software. You just need to download the patch file from margcompusoft.com and paste it in Marg folder. And simply your software gets updated. On top of all this, you will get world-class support and hand-holding from a customer care support team. And you have online access to all detailed GST related videos from our YouTube channel Marg Tutorials. So what are you waiting for? Download a free trial right now and experience how Marg ERP9 Plus GST Ready software simplifies your business.